Welcome to a traditional or modern gardening video. Today I'm going to show you just how to prune plum tree. It's very easy to do. Normally when it comes to April or May you don't want to do that. However, I want to keep this plant very little. It is about 5 to 5.5 feet tall. So my aim is to minimize the loss of branches and also keep it in a confined space, because as you can see I don't have that much room in the garden, so I really need to have a plants that will give me some fruits but also stay in a confined space. So this is why I'm going to cut some of the branches first of all, and secondly I'll be adding some of the bug killer. So when the fruit comes in within the couple of months, then the fruits and the flower is going to stay intact, and the bees can flourish into these plants. It's very unique according to my knowledge, because I normally do that. So let's cutting and spraying bug killer. So I'm actually cutting these little plants, as you can see. The branches that actually grown at the top. The reason I'm actually doing this is because these extra branches takes lots of nutrients from the plants, and minimizing these will help other plants at the bottom to get more food or nutrients to grow. That's why I'm cutting them like this. Otherwise, if I keep them up, the plants will grow longer, and it won't actually give me that much of fruits. So without doing this, it will look better, but in terms of fruits I won't get that much fruits, and even if I get some fruits, they won't be that much healthy. So that's why I'm actually cutting them. So as you can see, I'm actually trying to cut at the top and keeping the plants only this size. And on the side, I still want them to grow a little bit more, but as you can see, it's too many leaves there, which is not very good for in terms of fruits. So I'm just cutting them. And this is April time. Normally it may not be recommended to do that, because the fruit season are on the way. But I normally do this because if I do that, I get really healthy fruit and looks delicious. And as you are watching this video, when the fruit comes and the flower comes, I will bring more videos when the fruits come. Then you will understand why I'm actually doing this. So here you go. That's all the excess branches has been cut, overgrown. I can keep little few bits on there. So like this one, I need to cut them. But if it's in the middle, like this one here, I don't really need to cut them, as you can see there. So just leave them as it is, do not move, and it will grow. And now I'm going to apply some bug killer. I'm not really using fancy bug killer. I found this from Tesco. It's ultimate bug killer, and this will do the jobs. As you can see here, the blackly, caterpillar, whitely, and lily beetles will be keep off from this bug killer, but all the bees will stay here. because for the pollination we really need bees for a good pollen. There is a way to apply the vacuolar. When you do that, you need to look where the wind's coming. So for me, I can see the wind is coming uh, from my behind. So I'm just gonna apply that so it doesn't come to my face or anywhere else. Try to use a gloves which will protect you from catching the bacular on your hands. So I'm actually applying all over, as you can see. You really need to do all over, so all the flower are actually flourish with pollen, good pollen. You really need a good pollen to have a good flower. So you need to invite bees and to make a environment into a plant so the bees are welcome. So there you go. So that's all done, and now I need to wait for at least a couple of months for flower to flourish and then fruits to grow. So thank you for watching, and do not forget to subscribe, and until next video, bye bye.